Hi everyone, today we're going to be reviewing the soldering iron that I bought off AliExpress, and it's no name. It says Smart Electric Soldering Iron. So yeah, I've already used it, but it comes in this nice case. Yeah, it comes in this nice case. Well, it has got a name. It's the T65 SLD. I got it on AliExpress for, it was pretty cheap actually. I can't remember the price, but it was very decently priced. It's made out of nice quality metal. Yeah, comes with nice quality metal. It's got a lid for it. I just got the basic edition, so it just came with one soldering tip, but that's fine for what I needed. I only needed a soldering tip. Comes with this nice metal lid. Comes with this pretty basic, it's a pretty basic thing to wipe off your solder and all of that. It's got a little stand. It's pretty basic, but it'll get the job done. So the way you install, here's the soldering tip over here. Mine, unfortunately, it looks like it came with a bit of rust on it over here, but yeah, that's fine. What do you expect? So the way you install this soldering tip, you just take this off, take that off there, and then you put it in, just insert it up to that line, and then, oh, where did that go? Over there. Get that out, and then you just screw that back on. Make sure it's lined up properly. Screw it on. There you go. And you also have this lid that you can put on. I'll show you. It's a nice lid. Really, it is nice. And it's nice. And look at the screen there. Alright, take this off. Put this to the side. Here's your little soldering station thing. You can put your soldering iron there, I guess. Although it doesn't really have a groove for it to go in, really. It just might roll off sometimes, but yeah. That's what you get when you pay for that, but yeah. Alright, so this is the plug. I've got this USB tester. It'll test the wattage and all of that, so plug it in. This is what it says: welcome, any key to start. Right here you can see the voltage, 20 volts, and how much watts it's using. So I'll put this over here, and when I turn it on, it will show you the temperature on the screen. So 3, 2, 1, 58, and this heats up really quickly. There, it's at 115. I have it set, 150. I have it set to 150. It shows you your voltage there, 20 volts, and this can even run on 5 volts, which is pretty impressive, honestly. But you wouldn't want to use it there because it will have low power. So right now I'm using it on 20 volts, and I can turn that temperature up, and you'll see how fast it heats up. I'll turn it all the way up to 450. You'll see how fast it heats up, see how much power it's using, and it's almost up to temperature. You'll hear it. And look how fast it got up to temperature and melting. Wow. That is really good. You can clean it off with your little thing over here. Nice and clean. You can adjust the temperature here. Oh, wrong way. So you can turn it down if you need to. Goes all the way down to 150. This also has a lot of settings that you can play with. This is the what do you call it? The configuration. I just had to pause there for a second. I forgot what it was called. It's the it's the calibration, that's the word I was looking for. It's the calibration, so you can calibrate it. Here's the manual if you want to pause and look at it. Pretty good manual. It shows you everything on here. Here's the other side. So you've got your you've got your sleep timer, so you can see how long. I've got it set to 2 minutes, so if it doesn't detect any activity from the soldering iron, it turns off after 2 minutes. And you can do that all the way up to 20 minutes, but I have it set to 2 because yeah, it has a sensor. Alright, go back to it. That's the calibration, that's the sleep timer, that's the units, so you can have it on Celsius or Fahrenheit, obviously. And number 4, we have the screen set, so you can have it for right hand or left hand, so normal display or inverted. And I'm going to keep it on normal. Go back to the settings. So you get in the settings by holding this down for a couple of seconds. And then you have number 5, that's the start setting. So I have it for on, press the key to start, so when you plug it in you press one of the keys and then it starts heating up. Or this one, it just starts straight away as soon as you plug it in. I like it on that one, so I keep it on that. Number 6, you have the standby set, so this is how long it is before it turns off completely, and that's on 20. I'll actually adjust that down to probably 10 minutes actually. So if you don't touch it for 10 minutes, it will turn off completely. That's the sleep time. Oh no, that's the sleep temperature. So sleep temperature, this is the temperature you want it to be set at when it's sleeping, when it hasn't detected any movement. It has a sensor in here that can detect the movement, and that's the temperature it will go to when it detects no movement from the soldering iron. And when you move it again, it will go back up to normal temperature you had it set at before. So you can adjust that if you want. I keep it at 100 lowest. See, now it's in sleeping mode now. If I move it, it starts heating up again to my set temperature, which is 150. So overall, this is a really good soldering iron for the price, and I definitely recommend it. And it goes all the way up to, as you saw on the power meter too, it goes all the way up to 65 watts. So 65 watts. My old soldering iron that I had only went up to 25 watts. So this is a massive increase, and this just heats up way faster. It's great. It's really good. I'll just give you one more example of it heating up really fast. So we get off there. No, we don't want that. Okay, here you go. 300, and it's melting it straight away. Oh, got a little bit of solder on me. There you go. Yeah, but definitely recommend this if you're looking to buy it. This is the T65. So yeah, definitely recommend. And yeah, this has been in the review. Like and subscribe.